So how did you find your first MATLAB programming? Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so then let's move on. Basically, the all operations are in metric algebra in MATLAB. Okay, so then we are going to learn how to make matrix. Then before then, please download this PDF file from the Blackboard. Okay, so ideally you may want to use dual monitor, or just you can switch screens whenever it's necessary. Okay, all right. Then okay, let me just remove these comments. Okay. Let's start with zero matrix. I would say so A equals zeros 3, 2. Then this is matrix of zeros and its dimension is 3 by 2. Right? Okay. So then without this semicolon, let me run it. Then let's see what happens to the command window. Okay, run it. You see that? You can see A, right? And see A is the 3 by 2 matrix of zeros, right? So then here you can see some yellow area here. Then let me put this here. Then you can see a complaint by the MATLAB. Terminate statement with semicolon to suppress output, right? Which means if you put semicolon here, then this line is executed, and then the A is not going to be displayed in this command window. But if you don't put semicolon here, still this command will be executed, and at the same time the value of A will be displayed here. Okay, then let me put, then let's make identity matrix B equals I 3, which means I is not literally I. This is identity matrix. Okay, so then this is just three-dimensional identity matrix. Okay, let me run it. You see that it's not clear. Okay, let me remove the semicolon here and run it. Then B is three-dimensional identity matrix. Okay, then let me say C equals now ones 2, 3. You see what it is, right? This is a matrix of ones, 2 by 3 matrix of ones. Then let me run it without this semicolon. Run. Then you see that 2 by 3 matrix of ones. Right? What if you would try to make a matrix of 2? I mean 2, 2, 2, 2, like this. Then there's no 2's. 2 times 1's. 2, 2, like this. Right. Okay. Right. So then let me make an arbitrary matrix. Then I try to make a matrix like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then E equals, then bracket 1, 2, semicolon 3, 4, and bracket. Okay. So then this is 1, 2, and 3, 4 matrix. Let me show you. Let's run it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this semicolon means then this is the second row. This is first row, and this is the second row. Okay. So it doesn't have to be only 2 by 2. It could be any matrix. It doesn't matter, right? But if you don't put 4 here, then there must be what? error message. Or here you can see the complaints. Can you see this red line here? And this complaints means that the dimension should match between rows. So then, okay, 4. And sometimes it's okay without putting comma here. It's okay. But usually I put colon just because this is better looking. Right. So this is how to make the matrix. Okay. Here. And please try this.